guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we will be unboxing September's base BoxyCharm. Yee, so excited. Also, I did space buns. I tried to replicate JLo's space buns, but I have really long hair and couldn't get them to be less tall than this. But it's okay because it reminds me of the Spice Girls, Melanie B. So, like my brother said, I am channeling Scary Spice Girl. My Scary Spice Girl side? Something like that. Oh, I don't know. So let's just jump into the video. The theme for this month's box is glam vibes only. I don't understand why it's on the road. Is it like a road trip glam vibes only? I don't know, but I took my pictures like very glamish like, and also what I did on my face. Alright, so the first product that we have here is the Kate Somerville Exfolikate. So if you follow me for a long time already, last year I unboxed a FabFitFun box. That's very tongue twisting. FabFitFun box. I got the same one. I have it right here. The same little guy. But the difference is that this one is 2 fluid ounces and this one is 1.7 fluid ounces. So this one's bigger. In BoxyCharm I got the biggest size. I thought I was getting full-size products, but I really do believe that because it was a starter kit that I didn't get the full size. I did open this out of the box to see. The only difference between the packaging is that there is a smiley face at the bottom on the new one. For this video, I used my old one because I didn't want to open the new one. I do love this. The first time I tried it on Instagram Live, and because it was Instagram Live, I was talking too much and I think I left it more than the 2 minutes that it says to leave it on for, and it started burning. Literally started burning. It does tell you that this product may cause skin to tingle and flush slightly for a short time. The second time I did it didn't sting so much. A little bit of tingliness. My face wasn't red because I also left it for a minute. It does tell you for sensitive skin, leave on for less than a minute. I left it on for a minute and it does a good job. I love it. It is weird because it's green. It smells really nice. What did I say that it smells like? I don't know how to explain this smell, but it smells really fresh. Minty, if anything. Let me see what it says it has. Papaya. I don't think it smells like papaya. It has papaya extract, but I don't think that's what I'm smelling. Well, I don't know what this smell is. But anyways, I really love this and the results that it gives to my skin. I am breaking out. I couldn't do it on this area in front of the camera because I already had my hair done. But normally I do the entire forehead, the nose, and the cheeks. It's an exfoliator, so it does feel very sandy, but it feels nice. I'm happy that I got a second one. Yay! The next item is the palette. It was between this palette that I got and the Alamar Cosmetics Spanglish palette. I do like that one, but I also like this palette. It's so pretty. Love the packaging, guys. It's beautiful. I got my nails done recently. I didn't even plan this. Like, it matches this. As it says here, it's by the brand Hipdot, which I did not know this brand. And this is called the Zion Pressed Pigment Palette. You open the palette. Oh my god, guys, it's so freaking beautiful. Look at it. Ah, I can't. It has 15 beautiful eyeshadows, 11 beautiful matte eyeshadows, and 4 shimmery ones. These two right here, which is called Virgin Angels Landing, feel more like foiled eyeshadows. And these ones feel more like shimmery eyeshadows. I really like this palette. It's very colorful. It's my kind of palette, warm tones, and I love the purpley tones. I wanted to go for something very fallish. It is fallish, but I wanted it to be more on the orangey side. I thought that maize was the color of my shirt and it was gonna like give that yellowy pop as a transition shade, but it didn't work out that way. It was darker than I thought. I used this palette before swatching it, so I didn't know. An important thing about this palette is that it's cruelty-free, it's vegan, paraben-free, talc-free, mineral oil-free, and phthalates-free. This palette retails for $30. Well, guys, the next item is by Hank and Henry. Again, did not know about the brand until now, and oh my god, look at it. The packaging is on point. I freaking love it. It's gorgeous. It's matte and it shines and it has love at the top. But that's not it. You open it up and here comes the good part. Guys, holy, look at the packaging of this lipstick. So luxurious. I freaking love it. I can't. I freaking love the packaging. It has very beautiful shimmers. It's textured. It feels like rocks. It's so freaking cool. And to open it, I was like, how do you open it? You just have to press on the top part of the lipstick, just like that, and it pops out at the bottom. It doesn't come out unless you pull it out. And it's so cool, but that's not all. You twist the lipstick and look at the beautiful shimmers. It's so beautiful. I can't. I just swatched it. I don't want to use it. As you guys can see, all the shimmers on the lipsticks is just a coating that dissolves as it is applied to your lips. It's so freaking beautiful. I swatched a little bit because I wanted to see how dark this color was, and since it was red and my makeup is also kind of on the reddish tone, I just decided to keep it a little bit more neutral. When you swatch it, it doesn't look completely matte, but it's not as glittery or sparkly as this. I kind of wish it was. It says that the formula is smooth and leaves a creamy satin matte finish. On the packaging at the bottom, it does say it's satin matte lipstick, L-O-V-E. It does kind of look a little bit matte, but it still has that satin finish, so it's not too matte. I love it. I love this lipstick so much. And it only retails for $18. That's crazy. Next item is by Laura Felula Geller.
Alright, Monica Felula Geller.
Laura Geller. This is the volumizing brush, volume for Mega Lashes. I do know Laura Geller. I wish I don't know her in person, but I do know the brand. In the month of June, I got a Laura Geller product, and it was the cream to powder trio. I did like the product, and so I was interested in this little guy. It has wavy fibers, if you can see it on the wand, so it's to create more volume definition. It's formulated with white lash and carob tree seed extract to help re-densify lashes, prevent fallout, and keep lashes soft and conditioned. I know I am wearing falsies, but I do show you guys the finish after I applied the mascara, and I did like it. So again, for the days that I'm not using full lashes, which is very rare, but I do tend to do that, and then I just put my glasses on, I will be using this mascara. This little guy retails for $24. And the last item in the box is by Billion Dollar Beauty. This is a vegan charcoal infused beauty sponge. I didn't know this. First of all, I thought it was a regular sponge. I was like, oh, I got a sponge. When I was taking the pictures of the products, I saw that it says vegan charcoal infused. I was like, what? What? So it says charcoal infused for an antimicrobial effect. Charcoal infused, vegan, cruelty free, and no artificial dyes. It's gray. It's kind of a little bit stiff, but once you wet it, it becomes really soft. So I did apply my foundation and my concealer very well. I do like it. It does give me a flawless finish. I always love sponges for foundation rather than brushes, but I recently discovered a few brushes, as you guys have seen in my past videos, where I've gotten brushes for foundation, and I do love them, but to me it will always be sponge. I always prefer the sponge. I did not apply my setting powder with the sponge. I don't like to do that anymore because I applied too much powder. I want to apply a little bit less to prevent a lot less creasing in my under eye area. Again, I didn't know this brand. I don't know if I did mention that. This little guy retails for $15. Alright, so that's everything I got this month in my base box. And my favorite item, if you know me, you guys know which item I'm gonna pick. The Hank & Henry Satin Matte Lipstick is my favorite. If I had to pick anything else, because you're like, but you didn't use it. The palette, okay? Oh, fuck! The Kate Somerville too. See guys, this is my problem. I think about it too much. Okay, this is my favorite product of the month. I am super happy that I got an extra Exfolikate, but this right here, okay, they got me with the packaging, all the glitter on that lipstick. It's just, I love it so much. Let me know in the comments down below, what's your favorite item for this month? All right, so let's jump into the makeup tutorial. is the finished look. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, please don't forget to thumbs this video up. The value of my September base BoxyCharm is $192, and you only pay $25 a month. That completes this video. Don't forget to leave in the comments down below your favorite item. I wanted to mention that I recently collabed with my husband on his channel, Joshing Around. We reacted to the trailer of The Mandalorian Season 2. So if you guys want to check that out, I will leave the link up here and in the description down below as well. Show him some love, and also please subscribe to his channel. We are planning to make more videos together on his channel, on my channel, both channels. If any of you are waiting for the gameplay good job part 2, don't you worry, it's coming soon, okay? So stay tuned for that video. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel, and I will see you guys to my next video. Bye.